Once upon a time in the mighty kingdom of Vallenbourg, there was a young knight named Leon. Leon was known for his bravery, honor, and determination to protect his people. He had been trained by the best warriors in the kingdom and wore a shining armor, a heritage from his ancestors. Vallenbourg was a prosperous kingdom, surrounded by dense forests and majestic mountains, but a dark threat loomed on the horizon. An ancient demon named Malgoth had been freed from his underground prison by a sect of wicked sorcerers. Malgoth, eager for destruction, had sworn to plunge Vallenbourg into chaos. King Henry, alarmed by this threat, summoned the bravest knights of the kingdom to prepare to defend their land. One morning, while Leon was training in the castle's courtyard, a messenger arrived in haste, carrying an urgent message from the king. Leon was summoned to the great throne room, where King Henry awaited him with a grave expression. "Leon," said the king, "the demon Malgoth has been freed and threatens our kingdom. You are our best knight, and I entrust you with the mission to defeat him. Take this enchanted sword, forged in the flames of the sacred mountain, and set off to find the Amulet of Light, the only thing capable of sealing Malgoth forever." Leon accepted the mission with determination. He took the enchanted sword, as well as a legendary shield, and set off to find the Amulet of Light. Before leaving, he received blessings from the king and the kingdom's inhabitants, who placed all their hopes in him. Leon, accompanied by his faithful steed Arion, traversed unknown lands and dangerous territories. On the way, he met various characters who helped him in his quest. A kind old witch offered him a magical map showing the way to the amulet, and a dwarf blacksmith gave him a gauntlet of strength to increase his power. The journey was long and filled with obstacles. Leon had to face wild creatures, cross haunted swamps, and climb steep mountains. Each trial strengthened his determination to save his kingdom. One day, Leon arrived at the Enchanted Forest, a mystical place filled with ancient magic. In the heart of the forest, he met a dryad named Lysandra, the guardian of the Amulet of Light. Lysandra, seeing Leon's purity and bravery, agreed to help him but warned him of the dangers ahead. "The amulet is hidden in the Cave of Souls, protected by riddles and formidable guardians," explained Lysandra. "Only those who are worthy can hope to find it." Guided by Lysandra, Leon reached the Cave of Souls. The entrance of the cave was adorned with ancient runes and magical symbols. Inside, he found a series of rooms filled with traps and riddles. Thanks to his intelligence and courage, he managed to solve each riddle and avoid the deadly traps. In the heart of the cave, he finally found the Amulet of Light, a radiant gem that emanated a soft and soothing glow. Leon seized the amulet and immediately felt its power. He knew that this amulet was the key to defeating Malgoth. Leon returned to Vallenbourg, where Malgoth had already begun his assault. The sky was darkened by black clouds, and flames consumed the buildings. The inhabitants fled in panic while the knights desperately tried to repel the demon's forces. Leon, wielding the enchanted sword and the Amulet of Light, headed towards Malgoth, who stood atop a hill surrounded by his minions. The demon, tall and imposing, sneered as he saw Leon approaching.